Imagine that every fill-up could be secretly harming your vehicle. Many motorists overlook the fact that certain fuel providers skimp on vital cleaning agents and protective additives. This negligence results in blocked injectors, excessive carbon buildup, and repair bills that could run into thousands. In this feature, I'll identify 10 fuel companies you should avoid and 4 proven brands that actively safeguard your engine, boost performance, and extend your car's lifespan significantly. Seriously, if you value your vehicle's health, this is crucial information.
Number 1. Safeway Gasoline. Kicking off the list is Safeway Gasoline. A common sight in residential areas, they offer cheap fuel, often tied to rewards. However, this convenience comes at a cost. Safeway fuel typically fails to meet the stringent top-tier standard, a certification endorsed by major manufacturers like GM and Honda, which guarantees high levels of cleaning detergents. This shortfall means that over time, your engine will accumulate carbon deposits. These deposits will inevitably cause injector clogs, hindering combustion efficiency and leading to poor throttle response. Customers have frequently reported diminished mileage and persistent rough idling after using their product. Since Safeway often relies on various external suppliers, the fuel quality can fluctuate drastically between different locations, escalating the danger of harmful contaminants entering your system.
Number 2. Arco. Arco is famous for consistently offering the lowest priced gasoline, particularly prevalent in areas like California. Yet that initial savings conceals a long-term liability. Arco's fuel does not reliably adhere to top-tier standards, and independent analysis suggests its detergent content barely surpasses the EPA's minimum requirements. This lack of potent cleaning action poses a severe threat to modern engines, especially those with turbochargers and direct injection, making them prone to significant internal residue. This accumulated residue results in sluggish performance, noticeable knocking under acceleration, and higher emissions. The costs to remedy this, particularly if it involves replacing injectors or servicing the entire intake system, can easily soar into the thousands. The damage is exacerbated for high-mileage drivers who use Arco fuel regularly. The small savings per gallon can be quickly overshadowed by massive repair costs.
Number 3. Murphy USA. Murphy USA is a large-scale gas retailer typically located conveniently adjacent to Walmart stores. Its attraction is straightforward: accessible and inexpensive fuel. Regrettably, the quality of Murphy USA's product is a direct reflection of its aggressive budget pricing. The company lacks a national policy for top-tier compliance, suggesting that the additives used may be inadequate for defending contemporary engines against cumulative damage. Numerous reports from drivers cite a gradual drop in fuel economy, engine hesitation, and dirtier spark plugs following prolonged use of Murphy fuel. Because many Murphy locations operate on tight financial margins, there may also be less diligent maintenance of their storage tanks, pumps, and filtration systems, increasing the potential for introducing sediment, water, or even microbial growth into your car's fuel line.
Number 4. Costco Gasoline. This is the one people debate, as Costco gas is actually top-tier certified. The additive package is robust, and their Kirkland signature fuel is chemically comparable to what you'd find at a premium brand. So why is it a warning? The issue isn't the chemistry, it's the sheer logistics and volume. Costco stations endure enormous traffic and long lines. When the large underground tanks are refilled multiple times daily, there's a greater propensity for sediment at the bottom to get stirred up. If you happen to be pumping during or immediately after a refill, you risk ingesting this contaminated fuel. Various consumer reports have noted temporary rough idling, blocked fuel filters, and even illuminated check engine lights after a Costco purchase.
Number 5. Racetrack. Racetrack is a regional chain heavily focused in the southeastern U.S. They promote themselves as a cost-effective option through aggressive pricing. However, this focus on low price often compromises consistency in fuel quality. Racetrack has not secured top-tier certification, which should immediately raise concern. Their gasoline formula lacks the necessary detergent concentration to stop engine deposit formation, particularly vital for newer or high-performance powertrains. Number 6, 7-Eleven gas. 7-Eleven is a recognizable global entity, but its US gasoline operations are anything but uniform. A significant number of 7-Eleven fuel stations are independently franchised, and their fuel procurement varies widely, from high-quality refineries to the cheapest possible distributors. This lack of standardization is a major drawback. One location might sell decent fuel from a known source, while the next could be selling minimally additized, lower-grade product, simply because there is no system-wide mandate for top-tier detergent levels. The quality is a gamble. Motorists who rely on 7-Eleven gas over time have increasingly noted engine pinging, persistent knocking, and prematurely fouled spark plugs. For an emergency fill-up, 7-Eleven may suffice, but utilizing it as your primary source means consistently betting against your engine's longevity.
Number 7, Quick Trip. Quick Trip is a brand that divides consumers. This stems from its inconsistent standards. While certain Quick Trip locations do use top-tier fuel, the company does not require this enhanced standard across its entire network. This inconsistency causes confusion for customers and potential damage to engines that depend on a clean burn. Without the high levels of top-tier detergents, carbon residue can build up rapidly, especially in modern, high-efficiency engines with precise tolerances. In those areas where Quick Trip fuel does not meet the better standards, drivers may observe a drop in performance and long-term degradation. Discussions on automotive forums frequently highlight issues like injector and carbon fouling originating from non-top-tier Quick Trip locations. Unless you have absolute confirmation that your local station is certified, it is advisable to avoid it for routine fueling.
Number 8, Sam's Club gasoline. Similar to its competitor Costco, Sam's Club sells discounted fuel exclusively to its members. On the surface, it seems like a fiscally smart decision. However, the problem once again lies in supply chain variability and logistics. Not every Sam's Club station dispenses top-tier gasoline. Some obtain fuel from premium suppliers, while others utilize less reputable distributors. This varied sourcing, coupled with high customer volume and potentially infrequent pump upkeep, increases the likelihood of contamination. Users have detailed instances of engine hesitation, decreased mileage, and a noticeable reduction in engine power after regularly fueling at Sam's Club over a period of months. While an older car with a less sensitive engine might not show immediate symptoms, owners of newer models, particularly hybrids or turbocharged vehicles, risk compromising efficiency and long-term reliability.
Number 9, Kroger gasoline. Kroger operates hundreds of fueling centers across the US, often leveraging grocery discounts and fuel points to attract customers. While it is an effective strategy for saving money at the pump, Kroger's gasoline quality is frequently suboptimal. The majority of locations do not participate in the top-tier scheme, meaning their fuel lacks sufficient detergent additives. Extended use of this fuel can result in deposits that severely reduce combustion efficiency. Mechanics often report seeing greater intake valve deposits in dirtier fuel injectors and vehicles that depend heavily on Kroger fuel.
Number 10, Circle K. Circle K is a massive convenience store chain with fuel pumps across North America. Although some locations have successful partnerships with certified top-tier suppliers like Shell or Phillips 66, a large portion do not. Crucially, there is no mandatory corporate quality assurance. This inherent inconsistency leaves your engine exposed. Non-top-tier fuel from Circle K has been linked to heightened carbon buildup, a serious concern for modern direct injection vehicles. Combined with the varied maintenance standards of their equipment, there is also an elevated risk of encountering water-contaminated fuel, especially following heavy rainfall or tank refills.
Four gasoline brands that actually protect your engine. Number 1, Shell. Shell stands out as one of the few global gasoline providers that consistently surpasses standard industry specifications. Their flagship product, V-Power Nitro Plus, is specifically formulated to actively clean and safeguard your engine components. Developed in collaboration with high-performance automakers, V-Power Nitro Plus is designed to aggressively combat gumming, reduce internal friction, and prevent corrosion in high-compression and turbocharged power plants. Shell's fuel is infused with nitrogen-enriched detergent additives that dramatically exceed EPA minimums, working to lift existing deposits while simultaneously preventing the formation of new ones. Long-term use of Shell has been proven to recover lost horsepower, boost fuel efficiency, and extend the overall lifespan of the engine. For any vehicle, from a basic commuter sedan to a performance machine, Shell remains a benchmark for fuel quality.
Number 2, Chevron. Chevron has built an outstanding reputation on the back of its proprietary Techron additive, a cleaner so effective it's sold separately as a fuel system treatment. Every single gallon of Chevron gas, regardless of the octane grade, is pre-mixed with Techron. This powerful additive operates at a molecular level to disintegrate carbon deposits on critical components like fuel injectors, intake valves, and pistons. For drivers of direct injection engines where residue accumulates rapidly, Chevron can be a preventative lifesaver. Independent academic studies have verified its effectiveness in maximizing combustion efficiency and minimizing harmful emissions. Regular use leads to smoother acceleration, more consistent idling, and longer service intervals. Simply put, Chevron fuel does more than power your vehicle. It protects its internal mechanics.
Number 3, ExxonMobil. Exxon and Mobil stations dispense Synergy-branded gasoline, a specialized formula incorporating 7 essential additives, including a blend of detergents, corrosion inhibitors, and friction modifiers. Synergy fuels carry the top-tier certification and are optimized for both maximum longevity and performance. In real-world testing conducted by the Society of Automotive Engineers, ExxonMobil fuels demonstrated the capability to clean intake valves up to 50% better than non-top-tier alternatives. The fuel also facilitates superior atomization, which results in more complete combustion and reduced carbon output. If you prioritize extracting maximum efficiency from your fuel while maintaining a clean, protected engine,
Number 4, British Petroleum. BP's proprietary Invigorate additive system ensures their fuels provide more than just power. They actively work to restore lost engine performance. Invigorate is a scientifically developed blend of potent detergents and corrosion inhibitors designed to clean fuel system parts and actively stop new carbon residue from settling. BP's gasoline successfully meets the demanding top-tier certification standards and is engineered to mitigate engine knocking and pinging. Their fuel is extensively used across Europe, where regulatory emission standards necessitate exceptionally clean combustion. BP also includes additives that stabilize the fuel over time, which is particularly beneficial for seasonal drivers or vehicles not used frequently. If you're seeking a fuel that not only drives your car, but also helps keep your engine operating at its peak, BP is an excellent investment.